Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. This month's kit for October of 2022 is called Ho Ho Ho. So the box is beautiful. Let's see what's inside. So this is the advert that comes in every kit. Talking about next month's kit. This is From the North Pole kit. Coordinates with the Ho 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 kit. And you can also, as an add-on item, you can purchase these little paper bags, the North Pole Sacks add-on. So, and it gives you a project idea here. So that is what is upcoming. And this is the kit we have today, the Ho 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 Paper Pumpkin Kit for October 2022. We've got 3 different cards we can make. I'm looking forward to this one. I think that one's going to be neat with Santa and his reindeer in the background. All the instructions are in color, so you know what you have to do and where you have to put things. You've got the handy dandy ruler down the side, and each instruction is absolutely laid out for you. There's an overview at the back, and then on the last page, they have some alternate options for you, as well as all the contents in the kit. And the colors of this kit are Bermuda Bay, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Shaded Spruce, Sweet Sorbet, and Very Vanilla. We have a Early Espresso Stampin' Spot. We have our adhesive dots. We have our stamp set. Santa Claus is Coming to Town, Holly Jolly. We've got some stars. We've got this wonderful snowflake. We've got the outline of Santa. There's our sleigh and reindeer. Little Deliver To, Merry, Ho Ho Ho, 'Tis the Season to be Jolly, and then a really nice Christmas and holiday stamp as well. And we've got a little bit of bling here, and we've got our dimensionals. We've got envelopes, and they coordinate with the cards. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And now we start to get into the pieces in the kit. We've got our all our die cuts that we can use on the cards. Here's some more of the die cuts, the Ho 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 and the Merry. Here's our cards. We've got our first card base there. And then we've got some more of the die cuts that can be used on the cards. Our second card base here, the Crumb Cake, and then look at these die cuts that can be used over top of that. Those are really, really beautiful. Okay, and here is our last card base. Look at these snowflakes. How gorgeous are those? And you know that we are not going to be throwing away the background when we've taken all of our dies out. We're going to be using the negative space in here for sure. So that is the October 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up! Called Ho Ho Ho. So stay tuned for videos using the products in the kit.